Hello everyone and welcome back to my YouTube channel with another useful and informative video. So guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to fix unable to install updates and error occurred installing the iOS 26. So guys, if you are trying to download and install the latest version of iOS 26 but you are unable to install, here I will show you how can you fix it. So guys, for that you have to simply watch this video till the end. So guys, first of all, drag down your control center and make sure that your internet connection and your mobile service is working properly and you are not using the weak internet connection. So guys, do this, and after this open settings, and now you have to go to general section and then iPhone storage, and make sure that there is enough space for you download and install the latest version. So guys, do this, and after this go back and now scroll it below and tap on date and time and set your date and time from here. Then go back and tap on language and region, tap on region and select your country or region correctly. After this, go back and tap on VPN and device management and make sure that there is no connected VPN. Then tap on transfer reset iPhone, tap on reset and reset network settings of your device for one time as well. So guys, do this, and after this scroll it below and go to screen time, and from here scroll it below and tap on content and privacy restrictions and turn off the toggle for content and privacy restrictions from here as well. So guys, do this and now restart your device for one time, and after this hopefully your problem will be fixed. So guys, that's it for today's video. Hope this video helps you. Please like and subscribe to my YouTube channel as well. Thank you.